Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Already know in the year 2002, you know how we do. Going to smash thumbs up.
Hey, the year of Kobe. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The year of Kobe.
So what we got today? That what? That
Weekly.
weekly heat, baby.
Yes, sir. The weekly heat.
Weekly heat. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it off. So the first retro Jordan of the year officially comes out on January the 10th. This is a women's exclusive Air Jordan 2 sale slash black. It's releasing with a retail price of $175. So this predominant colorway features a sail colorway. It does have that black mamba snake skin on the side. Starting off at the bottom of the shoe, it does feature that black sail and white pattern on the bottom. Move around to the side panels. It does have that snake skin on the side. I do think this is a nice touch. Has that white midsole, but the shoe is predominantly sail on the back. It does have that standard Air Jordan 2 that we're used to seeing in black, as well as hits of the sail again. So this is a mixture of sail, black and white in my opinion. Let me know in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? I do think that this is a clean colorway in my opinion. However, we know that the Jordan 2s don't do well. Python Kobe hit on the side, that Mamba mentality. It's what they should have called these. Maybe these might have sold. So I am giving these the thumbs up, even though I won't be copping these, but I do think this is the clean colorway. If you like these twos, go and snatch them up, sneakerheads. What do you think about these, my brother?
Am I rocking those or dropping those? Just in the last quarter of last year, man, twos it seemed to have been growing on me. I like that coconut milk
Uh-oh.
and black in it. It looked like a clean shoe.
Yes, sir.
And I'm all about what outfits I can wear with my J's. So hey, I'm rocking those, my brother. I'll be rocking those.
Oh,
Yes,
we
sir.
agreed on the first pair of the shoes of the year. Can't believe that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what we got next, my brother?
So on January the 13th, we got those Air Jordan 1s retro high. These are a men pair. Actually, they coming out with the men pair and the grade school. Men pair asking price is 180. Jordan Brand, y'all shocked me with this with the grade school asking price of 140. Wow. But overall, this is a clean shoe. Hey, as y'all know, hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. But I am a one fan. This has that yellow orchid. Hey, drop us a comment how you pronounce that. Orchid. I'm really liking that with the white toe box, and then they got rocking that the outer sole with that same color, the yellow orchid. But I'm really liking that. I thought they were coming out with the same pair. As you can see, what I have right here, but my toe box is black and yellow, which is the Steelers, right? Rocking my Steelers color. But then if you look at that side panel, it's white, which you do find in the shoe that's coming out. I'm really digging that. But one thing I am noticing is that the yellow, the side panel, not the side panel, but the toe box, right? Mine is yellow, theirs is white. But when you go around the toe box, that there seems to be like a khaki color, but they call it yellow orchid. I'm really liking that shoe. To me, it stands out. It looks more like it's suede, but it's not. It's not suede. It's all leather. So I'm really loving that shoe. And saying all that, hey, I'm getting a thumbs up. Nice work with that, Jordan Brand. I'm really loving that shoe. What about you, my brother?
So I agree with you. This is a very clean colorway, and this is gonna be shocking, but I can give these a thumbs up. I am rocking these. This does feature that Chicago colorway that everyone likes, so hopefully these shoes will do good. From what I noticed in the past history, and you can correct me down in the comments, sneakerheads, if I'm wrong, but usually anytime there's a white side panel with the black check, those sneakers do well. But we are in a down economy, so one time will tell about these. But don't hesitate to let us know. Are you rocking these or dropping?
Yes, sir. Hey, and if y'all continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.
Peace.